Hi everyone, it's Nishant. Today I'll be doing linear regression. So let's begin. We first import our libraries. This is going to take a while. Okay, so that's done. So now we have to load our input and target variables. So ours is the input and it's the x in this case, and scores is the output. So that's why we define those. So now we define a linear function called predict, and so it's going to help us make it's going to us calculate the scores if we are given any other value for ours other than the ones that are already included in this array. Okay. Then we also have a loss function here. So loss function it calculates the mean squared error of the actual values with respect to the predictions. So that's basically an error estimate. That's how well our model is doing. So we have run that. And now to begin the training, so we initialize W and B, so the weights and biases to be 0. M is a number of training examples. Alpha is a learning rate. We train for 4 steps first, then and then here we have an array of the predictions called A. So we calculate the loss. After that, we append it to store it in the form of a list. So then here you have dw d underscore w, which is the derivative of the loss with respect to the weights, and then you have d underscore b, which is the derivative of the loss with respect to the bias. And then we update the w and the b for this training step, particular training step. Sorry, that for 4 steps. Let's plot the line. So you can see these these points are the original points of ours versus scores. Scores is there. And then this line we have to try to fit to it. So, but you can see it's not a very good fit. Let's train for some more steps. 10 in this case. So that we can put 100. So that's a pretty good fit now. We also plot our loss. You can see in the beginning the loss was very high. This is what you would expect. As we trained, it came down. You see, it can make a prediction. So yeah, it's a very decent prediction. And if you were to compare it to a lower value like say 4.5 something, it gives you a prediction according to this line. So that's about it. Thank you. And if you think you've learned something new, you can hit the like